Most people think descaling a coffee machine just means pouring in some vinegar and flushing it out. But if you want your machine to last and your coffee to taste the way it should, you need to decale it the right way, just like a technician would. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through a professional level descaling process that protects your machine and restores performance. Welcome to BrewFix. I'm a coffee machine technician, and on this channel I share professional repair, maintenance, and troubleshooting tips to keep your coffee flowing. If you're serious about your machine, make sure to subscribe. As water passes through your coffee machine, minerals like calcium and magnesium build up inside the boiler, pipes, and valves. This reduces temperature stability, restricts water flow, and can eventually damage heating elements and pumps. A proper descaling removes these deposits without corroding the machine's internals, but only if you do it correctly. You'll need a commercial descaling solution designed for coffee machines. Avoid vinegar in professional-grade machines. It can damage seals and leave strong odors. Fresh, filtered water. A container or carafe screwdriver or hex key for machines with removable parts. A blind filter or backflush disc for espresso machines with three-way solenoids. A microfiber cloth and a group head brush. Here is the step-by-step descaling process. Step 1. Preparation. Power off the machine and let it cool slightly. Empty the water tank, drip tray, and portafilter. Step 2. Mix the solution. Dilute the descaler exactly as instructed on the manufacturer's label. Fill the machine's water reservoir with the solution. Step 3. Circulate the solution. Turn on the machine. For espresso machines, run the solution through the group head and steam wand in 15 to 20-second bursts. Let it sit between bursts to allow the descaler to dissolve internal scale. For drip or automatic machines, start a brew cycle and pause it halfway through to let the solution sit inside the boiler for about 15 minutes before resuming. Step 4. Backflushing. Insert a blind filter into the portafilter. Run the pump in short intervals, allowing the solution to backflush the solenoid and exhaust system. This clears coffee oils and scale buildup that normal brewing can't reach. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly. Empty the reservoir, rinse it, and refill with clean, filtered water. Flush the machine several times through the group head and steam wand until no descaler remains. Technicians recommend at least 2 full tanks of fresh water for a proper rinse. Step 6. Final checks. Inspect the water flow. It should now be strong and steady. Listen to the pump. Reduced strain or quieter operation means the scale is cleared. Wipe down the machine's exterior and clean the drip tray. Descale through an automatic milk frothing system. Always do it separately to avoid clogging with residue. Don't overuse descaler. It's acidic and can wear down metal parts if not properly rinsed. Frequency. Descale every 2 to 3 months in hard water areas or every 6 months with filtered water. For commercial or high-end machines, always follow the manufacturer's service guidelines. Outro and call to action. And that's how a technician descales a coffee machine properly. Done right, it protects your machine and guarantees you get the best tasting coffee. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to BrewFix for more repair and maintenance guides. And let me know in the comments which machine you'd like me to cover next.